In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and delete a transaction from your list effortlessly. We all know that keeping our financial records tidy and up to date is crucial, and sometimes that involves removing unnecessary or incorrect entries. So, let's dive right in and make this task as simple as possible. First things first, you want to start by locating the specific transaction you wish to get rid of. This may sound straightforward, but depending on the system or software you're using, it can sometimes be a bit daunting. A good tip here is to use any available search or filter options to narrow down your list. Look for details like dates, amounts, or transaction descriptions that align with what you're searching for. This step will save you time and ensure you're focusing your efforts on the correct entry, making your task much more efficient. Once you've successfully identified the transaction, it's time to open it. Opening the transaction means you'll have a chance to review all its details before making any irreversible decisions. Take a moment here to inspect everything carefully. Double check that this is indeed the transaction you want to delete. Pay attention to the transaction date, the amount, and any associated notes. This review can help prevent any mistakes, such as accidentally deleting the wrong entry, which can be a hassle to correct later on. After you're confident that you're looking at the correct transaction, locate the delete option. This function is typically represented by a trash bin icon or simply labeled as delete. Click on it and this action will prompt a confirmation message. This prompt is a safeguarding feature designed to give you one last chance to verify your decision. It often asks something like, "Are you sure you want to delete this transaction?" It's essential to take this confirmation step seriously. Once you confirm and proceed with deleting, it's usually permanent unless your system has a recovery feature. So do pause and ask yourself if you're absolutely certain this is the action you want to take. If you have second thoughts, now is the best time to reconsider. If you're absolutely sure you want to proceed, go ahead and confirm the deletion. This final step will remove the transaction from your records, freeing your list from any clutter or inaccuracies. This action helps to maintain a clean and accurate set of financial records, which is invaluable for tracking your expenses and financial planning. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully managed to find and delete an unwanted transaction from your list. I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy for you to follow. Keeping your transactions organized doesn't have to be a chore, and with a little practice, it can become a seamless part of your financial routine. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy organizing.